So this was the second trade of 7th May. This was HDFC life insurance. The previous day candle already took the nearest draw on liquidity and it has given a clear bearish closing below this draw on liquidity. So that does not make us bearish, but I was just looking at today's price action, which is like this. Normally this type of situation I tend to avoid, because below this low draw on liquidity, we don't have any other references, so we don't know exactly where the price is actually heading to. These swing highs are quite old, and maybe this fair value gap, this small fair value gap here, it is heading toward this, but I tend to avoid this type of situations because this is quite a history and it is quite high to optimistic that price will reach this fair value gap now with some intention. But actually I was looking at today's price action, so it seemed to me that it is coming down like every other stock is coming down, and so price has actually reacted from here, this breaker plus FBG setup, and then it has created several fair value gaps here in 3 minutes time frame. So for example, this was the first fair value gap. After this, okay, no closing above this fair value gap, only wicking. Then this was the second one. So clearly it is bearish, and this was the today's low so far. Like in the morning we had this low and this gap up, and price has already reacted from here and again came here. So that means there is a green chance that this will hold good. So all these things considering, I took this trade. So my entry was from this fair value gap here, keeping my stop loss above this high, this swing high. I could have taken this, based on rule. I should have kept this here, but actually I was little bit scared, and also market is moving like in a crazy manner, so that is why I kept my stop loss little bigger and targeted the previous day low, this red line. And as you can see, we have achieved this 3:1 and so this was a profitable trade. So the previous one was a loss making and this was a profitable. So overall today we were profitable, not too much profitable, but okay, market condition, considering the market condition, it was good enough. So that's it for today. Let us see what can we make tomorrow.